So here I have a video on how to install NVAC. This is anti-crash. So we're going to extract these two files, NVSE as well. Find the path, you know. So we don't need this. So we're going to copy this. This is the DL. Don't really need this that much. We're going to open up NVSE. We're into the plugins. Paste that in there. Alright, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So we're going to take all these, and we're going to place them in here. Then we have this. We're going to put it in data. I've already done this, so you shouldn't crash anymore. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and press the button right under escape and get NVSE. Note, if you don't do this, you're going to crash and it's not going to work. So I'm just going to restart this. So normally, you get in Doc Mitchell's house. I saved on this part right when I'd start crashing, so that I could test why I was crashing. Normally it was because just NVSE I was crashing straight off for no reason, no mods. But I don't know. I gave you the right setup on how exactly to put your mods in, Same thing for stutter remover. It's pretty easy. I'll show you when we get to the end of this, but I'll show you no crashing. See, no crash. It's pretty dope. That took like 7 reinstalls, so no other videos on this. Alright. So we got stutter remover right here. We're gonna extract it. So what do we get? Just this data file. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and just clear all this garbage. Alright, stutter remover. Alright, so here's how we're gonna do this. So we already have the SRC file and the data, so it's gonna instantly configure it. It's gonna go into the SRC and already have data, so it's gonna go right in there, stutter remover, and that's how you install stutter remover, NVSR.